What's up, everyone? So we're back. Sorry that it's been kind of a while since I made a video. I've been busy with like Formula Drift and stuff. You guys all saw that Odie actually won, so it's pretty cool being a part of the team during all that stuff. But back to the car and everything. Today we're gonna go work on painting my engine bay and maybe do a couple other things. I did some stuff with the fuel system, so you guys can see how I'll show you guys how I did the send and return compared to like how the FRS stock fuel system works. And I have also the pedal setup I'm using. I'm gonna be using a 2002 WRX pedal, which is a direct bolt-on, and it looks like exactly the same as just the OEM FRS pedal, which is cool. And it uses the cable instead of the wire. And I don't know if I got that backwards or not, but instead of wire cable, I forget which one it is all the time. But that's gonna go to the throttle body, and you basically just use like a GM throttle cable, and then there's like a little, I'll show you, this little hole in the firewall where it like lines up perfectly. It's crazy. It's like it was like meant to be swapped with this, but yeah, so that's what we're gonna be doing today. Another update, the engine is literally just sitting here with the transmission on, just waiting for my car to get back. I'm getting a roll cage. Also, oh yeah, with the GK Tech shifter, they sent me a new dog leg, and it fits perfectly. There's like no issue at all. You can even see the noticeable difference lining them up. Well, maybe not on camera, but one looks definitely bigger. Another thing I'm trying to do is get to 500 subscribers. So I'm gonna basically be trying to do a giveaway. All you guys really need to do is go on social media and I'm gonna make a post. So just like find my Instagram, and all you need to do is basically share it either on like your story or post it onto your feed or whatever, and tag me in it or send me some kind of evidence that you send it, and you'll be entered to win a Grant steering wheel that I just had sitting around. And you'll also get our new Drift Team sticker and maybe a couple other stickers that I have sitting around that I'll throw in. So make sure you help me out and get the 500 subscribers so I can help you guys out and give you free stuff. But yeah, just remember, if you share everything and I don't get to 500 subscribers, it's gonna be a long time until you guys get a steering wheel. So make sure to be sharing as much as possible and telling your friends and stuff like that, so you can get up there and get the channel going a little bit more. All right, so we're at John's house. I actually started painting the engine bay a little bit already. So I'll kind of show you guys how I prepped it and everything, and how I have the car covered up so it doesn't get messy. So here you go. This is the color I'm using. I basically just kind of like bent all the brake line and stuff out of the way and like covered it up. Covered up the like top plate of the coilover. And then I got this like plastic stuff at Home Depot to put everywhere. I basically just kind of like undid the top part of the fender and peeled it back. But yeah, actually the only reason I didn't finish this is because I forgot my key, and I couldn't take the brake booster or like the clutch master cylinder off or anything like that. So I just kind of like did everything else that I could, or like kind of got a start on it. But yeah, this is what it looks like so far. I'm also gonna try avoid showing you guys the cage for now, and I'll kind of do like a reveal for it next video. All right, so now that my car is unlocked, I'm gonna go ahead and start taking the brake booster, master cylinder off. I'm not gonna show you guys how I do it because it's super easy, but I just don't want you to see the cage yet. This comes off with basically these two bolts, and then there's like a little cotter pin that like holds a pin in right there, and it just pops right out. And for the brake booster, there's 2 bolts on the actual master cylinder, and then the brake booster has 4 bolts like behind it in the firewall. They're a little bit tricky to get to, but just gotta use some extensions and it comes right out. Okay, so everything's out now and it's super dirty, so I'm probably just gonna go ahead and take like a Scotch-Brite pad and some cleaning stuff and spray it out, and then degrease it, and then tape everything up. Try to pull this out of the way so I don't have to actually get brake fluid everywhere, and start painting. I basically just covered everything up so I didn't have to like get brake fluid everywhere, and pulled it as far as I could towards the middle with like this wire, and now I'm gonna keep cleaning and I can actually start painting. Okay, so I got the primer on. Basically what I use is this like Rust-Oleum clean metal primer, because you can paint over like all kinds of stuff with it, and it's been working pretty well from before. and that's basically just what the white is. And now I'm going over with the gold. Okay, so I got most of it done. I'm just gonna go ahead and take all the tape off and kind of put it back together so I can see what I didn't get kind of under this like bundle of crap right here, and then touch it up, and then it should be done. All right, so it's done. I put the headlights back in and everything, so it actually looks pretty nice. So let me show you guys. There you go. Everything's painted. I didn't have that many reactions. There's a couple like here and there, but it's not really a big of a deal. I had a little bit of overspray on like small things like up here, but Scotch-Brite literally just takes it off in like seconds. So I don't really care about that too much either. But yeah, I guess I'll cut to a montage of it so you guys can see all the niceness. I'm just going to show you guys the cage, I guess, what's done with it, just because I'm going to bring the car back tomorrow, and John's going to finish welding at my house just because he has everything notched and like cut and fitted. He just literally has to bring his welder over. Just doing my garage really quick, and I want to make some progress. So with the car back tomorrow, the engine's going in like this weekend hopefully, or earlier depending on if I just want to stay up really late. So be ready for that because big things are about to be happening. Other than that, we're gonna put this pedal in. So like I said, it's a 2002 WRX pedal. Sorry, the steering column just like hanging out here. But if you look at it, it's like literally the same thing. And it's a direct bolt-on, so it's perfect. And there's no stupid electronic stuff you have to deal with. Everything's gonna be mechanical, and I can use the OEM throttle body on the LS. All right, so to take it out, it's literally just that 12mm bolt and that 12mm bolt. And I already cut the wire to it because I don't care. And yeah, that's it. So let's get to it. Just kidding, they're not 12mm, they're 10mm. So I'll be right back. On this little clip. And I don't need that. So now take this. So now we take this and literally bolts up. I was told this bolts up, and it pretty much does. It just kind of fits into one hole, and it lines up perfectly with this hole for the throttle cable. And it sits where it's supposed to. So I don't know, maybe I can just run it on that one bolt and it'll be okay. But I might just drill another hole through it and then add another bolting. It's honestly super easy. So I'm gonna bolt it down and see what it looks like. All right, so it's in place. I might bend this in to get the pedal to sit a little more even with the brake and the clutch, but it's like decently sturdy on one bolt, wiggling it right now. So I might just leave it. I don't think it's really that big of a deal, but I might throw in another one, I guess. If I put Loctite on it, it should be good, but I guess we'll see if my car doesn't work. I told you guys you're gonna be able to see some of the cage, so here we go. So as you can see, the A-pillar bars are done. It's all boxed out. He has the plates for the anti-intrusion bars. Literally the only thing is the crossbar, because he had to wait and fit my seat in and make sure the height was right and everything. And B-pillar, C-pillar stuff is all done. Everything's boxed, stitch welded. But yeah, it's literally just waiting on the door bars, which are already cut and fitted. He just has to weld them, and then the crossbar. But this is it so far, and just waiting for it to be finished. Alright guys, so I hope you enjoyed me painting my engine bay. I'm super excited on the way the paint looks. Next video should be out really soon. Again, sorry for it taking forever for me to film this one. Like I said, I was really busy. But yeah, be excited because the next video is going to be the engine going in. So, but yeah, make sure to also share that giveaway thing I'm going to do. I'm going to post it up on Instagram probably tomorrow. So if you see this video before, just like wait for it and stay tuned. But other than that, leave a like if you learned something or if you enjoyed the video, or comment if you have any questions, and please subscribe because that's the goal for right now, to get 500 subscribers. But yeah, thank you guys. I'll see you next time.